you ever dreamed about living in a perfect little spot on the beach, surrounded by palm trees? Welcome to 641 Espanola Way, Unit 24, in the heart of South Beach. This turnkey junior one bedroom offers 470 square feet of brand new living space. Come on, let's go take a look inside.
That's good.
In-unit laundry, on-site parking, and the cutest front patio with a view of the way are only some of the features you're not going to find in the historic district. Add to it a low HOA with high-end designer choices on the new floors, new kitchen, new bathroom, walk-in closet, impact doors and windows. Well, this junior one bedroom starts to look like the gem we've all been looking for. The very definition of an awesome spot on the beach that will always feel like home.
The lot for this property is on a corner, on a tree-lined historical way just a few blocks from the excitement. The building itself has an elevator that's in good condition with no pending assessments. Even though this quiet side of the way is mostly locals only, we're within walking distance, fantastic cafes, world-class restaurants, Time Out Market, Lincoln Road, all the supermarkets, and of course, the beach. My name is Peter Fung, and if you'd like a viewing of the apartment you've just seen, feel free to contact me, 305-699-6777, or direct message at Peter Fung Official. Thanks, have a great day.